Welcome to CPQ Techies YouTube channel. You will get an update here related to Salesforce CPQ content. So don't miss to subscribe this channel and never miss the bell icon. Thank you. So I want to go with this Salesforce CPQ help article where you will find out the step by step of the installation process related to the Salesforce CPQ, what we should to do before going to install the Salesforce CPQ package. First, understand the Salesforce CPQ is the managed package where we have to install in the Salesforce. Okay, so this is not an inbuilt which comes with the Salesforce. And first thing first, we need to understand that Salesforce is the standard org where we implement our projects, maybe the sales cloud related to the service cloud, or maybe whatever the cloud we are adopting. Okay, so same thing like that, if we have decided that we need to upgrade our existing process from sales cloud to CPQ, or maybe we need to start the implementation for our client with the Salesforce CPQ. Client have multiple products, they want to configure their products in the Salesforce CPQ, and they want to install the CPQ in their existing Salesforce org. Okay, so there are the simple steps that we need to follow, and this is the help article. I will provide the all links related to this help article in the standard Google document, where you will that will be a shareable document. So there you can access all the links and all the Salesforce CPQ related content. Okay, so first thing first, uh, we need in this training process we need two different orgs. Okay, that means two different Salesforce environments. First environment is just a standard Salesforce developer org. Okay, where we need to that will be a clean just with the metadata. There will be no data related to the Salesforce CPQ or anything like that. So for that, we in that developer org we have to install the manage package. Okay, so we will install the manage package. We will go through that, how to install, how to provide the access to the users, and how to manage the license of the Salesforce CPQ, how we can assign the license to any user for the Salesforce CPQ access. Okay, so that is the one thing. So this is the developer edition org. Okay, where we have to sign up the form, and after signing up, and this is totally free. Okay, just don't this is totally free, where you just you have to fill up some kind of like a basic information, your email, your job role, your company, and this is not required to be verified from the Salesforce. That yeah, if you can, you can still if you are not working anywhere, you can apply any name, like for example ABC or something like that. Okay, but if you are working, then you should have to provide all the details. Email will be your personal email ID. Okay, not the work email ID. That there is no work email ID required. So this is the standard developer edition sign up org. Just type on the like developer.salesforce.com. Okay, and I will share this document. If you can see this, installing Steelbricks CPQ in Salesforce CPQ in Salesforce, then you will find out the all steps related to installation. Okay, the first is like sign up, log into your Salesforce instance. Okay, so Salesforce instance means we need first of all to create ourself a Salesforce instance. Okay, for that we are going to fill up the form. So developer instance, so I'm going to fill my information, uh, and the username that I'm going to create is, it should be a unique username. Okay, if so just sign up. Yeah, it will send an email to confirm our account. Okay, so sometimes it takes a little bit time, like 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, maybe. In that meantime, I will show you the another developer org which Salesforce provide directly with the Salesforce CPQ manage package, where we don't need to create so this is also a free developer edition, but it will be comes with the Salesforce CPQ. Okay, to learn a new CPQ skills today. Uh, that is something whenever that is something when we are working in the trailhead, right? So in that time, trailhead provides us this org to and it comes with the data and metadata. That means there are already some kind of products, some kind of the rules, and already existing templates and something like that. Okay, so it will be easier for everyone, and it should be we have to create the developer edition org of the Salesforce CPQ. Okay, so this is the same org, but it will be comes with the all data that we need to cover with the Salesforce CPQ. And I'm going to sign up for this account as well. So this will be the same. So it will create another instance for us uh, with the of the Salesforce CPQ, and we will get the emails. Now I have got my email. Yeah, we have to click on the verify account. Okay, so after getting the email, you will see this something like that, where you have to click on the verify account, and it will create a new tab of the change password. That means you have to create the new password for your username. Okay, that I have created earlier. So this should be like 8 characters minimum, one letter, one number, that should be uh, covered. So I'm creating the password.
Okay, I've logged in. My career.
Okay, after changing the password, it will redirect me into the Salesforce org. Okay, so this is my a fresh Salesforce org, where there isn't any no kind of app or any CPQ of app or any kind of data in the Salesforce in the related to the Salesforce CPQ. Now this is the standard Salesforce developer org, where we need to install the CPQ package. Okay, we have to install the CPQ package. But the another org that I have created, right? So in that org we don't need to install the CPQ package. Okay, because it is coming up already installed CPQ package. So we are going through this process. We have created the developer.salesforce.com instance, and now we are going to install the CPQ package. Okay, to install the CPQ package, we have to go to the install.steelbrick.com. Okay, so install.steelbrick.com, it is the link where we have to go and install our Salesforce CPQ org. Just go to install. So here you will find the package installation links. Okay, so as per like a Salesforce CPQ, Service Cloud for CPQ, Salesforce Billing, authorize.net for Salesforce Billing, and another all the apps related to the Salesforce CPQ. Okay, now this is the updated version spring 20. Okay, so we have the winter 23 Salesforce CPQ managed package, the version name. Okay, to install. This is the 240.5 version number, and it has been released in the 11/5/2022. That means on the May 11 May.
Okay.
No, sorry, 5
November.
November, 5th November, right? So 5th November 2022, it has been released. Now the second update release date is going to be on on the 4th January. So it is not available right now, but it will be available soon. So right now we have two different installation links are here. So where we are going to install the Salesforce CPQ managed package. The first one is production and second one is sandbox. So production means that is something we are working with the customer, and that the org where the data of the customer there, that is like a real time data where we are working with the deals and with the customers. That is going to be the production org. Okay, and the sandbox org, that means that is the UAT or QA org, where we test the things like automation testing and all the testing related scenarios we perform in the sandbox org. And after successfully tested all the changes, we deploy it into the production, right? But it comes with the like a production org where we are working, actually we are working as a Salesforce admin. So that time from production org we can create the multiple sandbox orgs. Okay, right now we have the developer org. So developer also falls into the production. So that's why I'm clicking on the production org. So it will be redirect me into the login page of the Salesforce, standard Salesforce login page, where I have to provide the Salesforce credential, right? So I'm going to provide the credential of my recently created developer org, this kind of thing. Then you have to provide the credential of your Salesforce instance where you want to install this package. Okay, so I'm going to provide my credentials that I have recently created the org in front of you. Okay, this is my credential, and login. Remind me later. Okay.
Okay.
So after that you will get this page, the install Salesforce CPQ by Salesforce CPQ, and there are three options. First is the CPQ package for which users you are going to installing this Salesforce CPQ package. First one is install for admins only, second one is install for all users, and third one is installs for specific profiles. So I'm going to provide like in the detail like about what is means like admins only. That means if I'm selecting this, so only the system admin profile who have the system admin profile in the Salesforce, like a standard Salesforce system admin profile, the only that person will be accessible this the Salesforce CPQ application or Salesforce CPQ managed package. Okay, but if we want to access for all users, okay, again after installing for all users, it will allow us to restrict a specific user, or we can apply like the restrictions to the users, which one, which user is going to be use this application or not. This is totally depends upon to assigning the license, okay, of the Salesforce CPQ, and assigning the permission sets related to the Salesforce CPQ. So, and the third one is install for a specific profile. Specific profile means it will provide you all the profiles, okay, whatever profiles you have in your system. So it comes with the Salesforce profile, and you can choose that you what level of access you are going to provide for the specific profile. Okay, but the standard way and recommended way by the Salesforce itself, okay, so it is like the best practice that we have to choose this option, install for all users, because it is something like that we can have the access for any user in the Salesforce for the Salesforce CPQ in future, right? So we are not preventing for any profile or just only for the admins. We are not limiting the access by choosing these two options. So for now, and it is the best practice that we have to choose the install for all users. Okay, and click this uh, checkbox, and after that select the install. Okay, now it will give a pop-up that approve third-party access. There are like a package may send receive data from the third-party websites, so that's why we have to check this box and continue. Now it will install the package. Okay, in the meantime it will take sometimes 5 to 10 minutes to install the whole package. So in the meantime I will go through you that promo org we have signed up, right? So I think I have got email for that as well. Yeah, right, the CPQ org, I have got the email. So I'm going to verify that account as well. So right now I'm performing the two operations simultaneously. First one is we have created just a developer org, okay, just a developer org, and in that org after creation of that org I have saved my credentials for that org, and I have go to the install.steelbrick.com and create a install my package for the production. It redirected me to the login page, and I have logged in. On that time I have logged in by using the credential of the Salesforce developer org that I have created earlier. Okay, and that's the only step we have performed right now. And another, what we have done, we have gone through that link as well that I have shared on the trailhead.salesforce.com/promo/orgs/cpq trails, right? So this is the org, and we have signed up for that one as well. After that, again I got an email related to this org as well. First email I received for the standard Salesforce development org, and the second email I received for my the Salesforce CPQ promo org. Okay, so for Salesforce CPQ promo org I'm going to verify my account. So
Fine.
we will need the both orgs in the time of training. Okay, now this is the another package I have. the Salesforce CPQ, where I'm again going to, okay, so right now we have the two arcs of the Salesforce CPQ. So first one, the org that we have created without the manage package, and after creation we have installed the manage package manually. Okay, and the second org we have installed directly, which comes with the Salesforce CPQ. So I will show you both orgs. Okay, so this is the org. You can see here in the application, if I'm launching the Salesforce CPQ application is there. Okay, but in this package where we have installed the CPQ as a manually, this is still undergoing the process of sales installation process. Okay, so this is the simple step, just don't get confused. Okay, first one that I have showed is the developer org, where we have installed the manage package manually. And the second method we have gone through by using the promo org trails, where we have we have filled up the same information for the sign up to get this org, and after that we received the separate email for that as well. After that I have verified my account, and you can see here I have the Salesforce CPQ app now. Okay, but in my manual installed org, still this is going to be like in the under process, and whenever it is going to be installed, we will get an email on our the email where that we have provided at the time of sign up. We will get the email that your package has been successfully installed. Okay, so right now you can see here there is no package, any package that is not installed, but after some time you will get uh, you will see that the install package here. Okay, so that are the simple two steps. Okay, so don't get confused, we have to create the two orgs. First one is from this process. Okay, so this process you have to use. The second is the simple, there is a link that I have provided. Okay, here uh, again I am providing that link. So this is the link where you have to sign up with all your details, and you will get a direct like with the org which comes with the Salesforce CPQ. Okay, so we need both, but in the training I will let you know guys that which one that we are going to use on which day. Okay, so keep the both orgs at a time, like write down the credentials, maybe note down the credentials of both orgs,